The day Jabo lost his name. In Jamaica, everybody have a nickname. Sometimes it's sweet, sometimes it's not so nice. But once it stick, at that are your name for life. This is the story of Jabo, the most popular boy in his lane, until one day him lose him name. His real name was Tajari O'Brien Macpherson, but not even his mother call him that. Unless she did angry, of course. Everybody call him Jabo. Nobody quite remember where he come from. Some say it was when him used to jam him cousin when them a baby. Others say it just sound like him vibes. Always moving fast, always jabbing jokes. But one thing for sure, when people shout, Jabo, they mean the quick mouth, quick-footed youth who could make you laugh even when you vex. One hot Friday, Jabo out in the square showing off as usual. Me can balance 3 bag juice pa my head and still skip rope. Watch this now. Him friend them cheer him on. But just as him spin, mid-skip, a long green lizard dart across the pavement. Why? Him scream out and fling the bag juice. Then him trip on the rope and tumble back into a crate of ripe banana. Him friend them quiet. Then also the laugh. Somebody ball out. Me say look pan him. Banana jump. Another shout. Jump afraid of lizard bad man. Mega call him lizard skip from now. The place mash up with laugh. By Saturday morning, the whole Shellsprang Lane start testing out new names on him. One kid shouted from across the gully, Yo, banana jump, you coming ball field? Another, pass the ball lizard leap. Jabo vex. Bad. Yo, me name Jabo, you hear me? Not banana, anything. Miss Janet from the shop started grinning and said, Nicknames not easy to keep, Ask Paint. I confused, Jabo said. Paint? How him get that name then, Miss Janet? Miss Janet laughed. He was to paint the school and turn over one red paint pan himself. The paint start burn him in him eye and him start run across the school grounds. Paint frightened the poor pitney them cause them think him a dopey. From then till now, I paint him name. You can't fight it unless you earn back your title. Then, Jabo decides say him not going out like that. Him have to earn back him crown. All week in practice in secret, skipping backwards, balancing mango, even standing under the lizard tree till the lizard them get used to him scent. Then come Sunday, which was a community fun day. Big crowd, big energy. Jabo step out in a custom white t-shirt with the real Jabo written bold in red marker. Him skip rope and balance a crate on his head. It never jumped, not even once. Then, as a final act, he sat under the same lizard tree, nervous, but on the outside, calm, zen out, like him and the lizard them a brother. Him friend them gasp, them silent. A little girl said, Jabo is back. Me know him never did a go out like that. From that day, nobody never called him Banana Jump again. His nickname was restored. And though the lizard them still skitter nearby, Jabo just smile and nod. Me no fear nature no more. My name too strong for that. And every time somebody get a strange new nickname, Miss Janet just shake her head and say, hold it proud, or work to get it back, like Jabo did.